Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this video I'm gonna talking about Math.round function or method. So what it does, it returns the nearest integer of the round or the rounded number when you put a decimal or a float. So what we're gonna do now is remove all of that, log in on the console, and Math.round. So when we're done with that, just we're gonna pass 0.9, something like that. It's gonna say 1. If we pass um, something like 5.95, it's gonna say 6. So it always try to give you the nearest integer. So let's think about a situation that is it's like 4 5. It gonna give you 5. This is what it does. It give you the nearest rounded number from that float. So this is what it does. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.